Hi friends, choosing a perfect WordPress theme is always being a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you, and I'm happy to record this video as we are covering all the great WordPress theme in this category, and this is the directory and listing category. And if you want to make a website for directory listing, city guide or listing, this video is for you. In this video we have a great WordPress theme called Search and Go. It is directory WordPress theme. The Search and Go WordPress theme is having all the features that you need for a directory or listing website, and it has booking functionality, advanced listing search, PayPal integration, user login via social media, and all such features that you are dreaming for your website, and all these functions are available. The theme has been developed by Elated Themes, and they are of course Power Elite authors, so it is a big name in the WordPress theme development, of course. And the theme came into existence in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So the latest update came yesterday only. This is why I have chosen to be this theme to be on this channel, and overall we are covering all the directory and listing WordPress themes. So this theme is compatible with WooCommerce latest version, and yes, it is widget ready, high resolution, compatible with browsers and software versions, so latest WordPress version compatible and also things. So it is well documented, responsive, and all such features are here. So detailed search result is the main feature that is available in this theme, and easy customized look your maps is also available. Login and registration, as you can see it, and user wish list and claim listing, so it is also an important feature. Easily add a specification and amenities has been given. Custom pricing, packages, full of beauty. So you can read all these things on the link given in the description of this video. I'm adding a link that will give you all the information along with the theme and hosting plan that you need for your website. And this is being the website, and this works very fine. So I have seen all the places and all the search patterns that has been presented in this website, and yes, you can see the inner listing page. It is working very fine, and the presentation of content is very professional, and it looks so great that it is really a professional presentation of content. And all listing you can see, and the speed is awesome. So this is main feature that you need for your directory website. Speed is really great, and so you can present listing in different categories, and all such facilities are here. So in this video we are going to install Search and Go WordPress theme to understand the complete features and overview the features, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options and the basic customization options, and what features are available in the Search and Go WordPress theme, so that you can take your buying decision and you can understand what you can actually do with this theme and what features can be brought on your website using this theme. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and that is running as of now 2021 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress as on date 5.8.2. and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, and the XML export has been given for manual data import. The main theme file and the child theme file is here, so we shall be using the main theme file for our installation. To install the theme we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, and we can click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose search and go.zip file. And remember, you have to select the correct file that needs to be uploaded as theme file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact, and the theme file size is just 11.47 MB and it got uploaded within seconds. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, if you are using file manager to upload, and you might be using the FTP clients, and you can also use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme. It is your choice, so all works, all results are same. So I have chosen to upload the theme directly to my hosting, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this search and go folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. So now we can delete the zip one. Okay, so now we have uploaded the theme file and we can go back again to the theme section, and we have now search and go as another theme option along with the default theme. This is search and go version 2.6 and this is modern and a smart directory theme, so we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to utilize the complete features of this theme, and these are the list of plugins that has been required and recommended, marked as required as recommended, and we are going to install all these plugins. So Elated marked themes has been developed by the developer itself, and this theme uses WP Bakery page builder, and this theme also supports WooCommerce. So we are going to install all these plugins, so that has been marked required and recommended. You can skip to install these recommended plugins, but if just in case if you are not using the WooCommerce features, so you can skip to install the WooCommerce, but I need to showcase all the features. I am installing all the plugins, and initially I will also advise you to install all plugins. Later you can deactivate and delete those plugins that you are not using, and only 2 are recommended plugins that you can skip to install. Okay, so now I'm choosing to install all plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. Okay, so all 8-9 plugins got installs, and within seconds. So you can see this is the beauty of the hosting plan that we are providing with the theme pack. Just follow the link that is available, and you can also have the theme only. So now all plugins has been installed, and now it is time to activate all plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. So I am doing the activation now, and okay, so it may take a bit time because WooCommerce is also here, and it got activated within seconds. And just click on the dashboard. WooCommerce may need certain information, so it is landing to WooCommerce setup wizard page, but you can skip the wizard just in case if you are not using the WooCommerce. So I am skipping this because it is the basic information, and if you are in plan for using the e-commerce activity, just fill this form and complete the installation. However, WooCommerce has been installed, but this is just a information like thing. Okay, so just click on dashboard, and we have installed the theme and all set of plugins. Now we can have a look of our website. This is the basic look of search and go, and yes, this is basic look without any content, and this is why it is looking so clean. And we have a target website like this. So now it is time to import the demo content to make a target website, and there are many options. I will show you once we complete the installation process what we got additional in this installation. And this is basically Elated options, and I can see there is an option called import, and I'm exploring other options as well. So nothing is hidden in my video. This is why I'm showing you each and everything, and this is the beauty of this channel, what steps I am following and facing. So you have to follow the same steps to install the theme successfully. Okay, so I can see there is an import option. Let us see what is here. And import demo content is here, so import type please select, and we can use these options to import the demo content. This is import, choose the demo, search and go, import type please select all, since it is a new website. Import attachment, yes, we need attachments as well, and simply click on import. So import process will begin, and something going on the background, but nothing is visible on the screen. To check whether an import has been started or not, we can open the media library in another tab, and if we are getting media files, so we can assume import is going on. So we are receiving the media items, and as of now I got 189 media items. It is so fast actually, and now it is showing 50%, 60% has been complete, and we have to wait on this screen without disturbing the import process. So you cannot hit the back button, refresh this page, just let the process to be completed, and you can just keep reloading this page. If media items are here, so import can be supposed as completed. So as of now 277. So it is great that we are getting all the media items. We can use these media files at our website as well. But yes, we are finally not going to use these contents because this is just a demo content. But yes, if you are receiving, it is great, and it can be great help while we are completing our website. And yes, it is showing 100%, so it hardly took 2 minutes for me. So it is again beauty of server and internet connection speed. Okay, so now I am refreshing this page, media items. So altogether we got 278, and now this is being the dream reload, and I am reloading the page to preview the new website. WooCommerce placeholder is here, and we don't need WooCommerce here in fact, and somehow it is redirecting to WooCommerce placeholder, but it does not matter. We can check the pages what we got, and here is the list of pages, and we got 19 published pages. So home is here, so we can take a look of 2 homes are here in fact, so we can take a look of home, and yes, so website is here. We can simply set our home page, and both home are same in fact. Okay, so menus are here, and why it is so. Okay, so we need to just customize some items in the header in our website, so it will be visible. So we just need to put it in black or something like that. But yes, complete website is here, and we got a wonderful website, of course. And now we can set the home page first of all. So it can be done simply through the customize option, and home page setting is here, so we can select home, any of home in fact. Simply click on publish. After selecting the home, it will set your home page. So now we can cut it and check the website again. So it is great, and the installation process was so smooth and clear. So we got the complete website as well, and there are so discover new place, so listings are not here, much listings are not here, so this is why it is looking blank. But yes, on the listing website we have to put our own data. This is just a demo website, and there is an add listing option, so this is being the main feature on a listing website. So we can check this page whether it is working fine, and it needs a login in fact, so it is redirecting to their website, it is not ours in fact. Okay, so now I'll show you the pages. My account, refund and returns, shop is also here, and okay, so listings, we can check the listings. Okay, so these are the listings, and these listings are pending in fact, and we can preview these listings. And okay, so this is just a test listing, so this is why it has been kept pending in the demo content. But yes, these listings are here, and we can add new listings from here. So this is the live listing, we can check this power put pair, and yes, this is live listing, and this is at our website, so you can check. And finally we got all the listings, and you can add new listings, listing categories, listing tags and listing locations. So you can edit the existing listings to replace with your own data, and you can add new listing as well. So add new listing is very simple, so simply click on add new listing, and you have to configure this listing on your home page, not exactly configure, so it will be available according to the filter you apply through the listing categories. Here are the listing categories, these are the default, I mean the demo listing category. You can edit the listing categories or delete or create new listing categories here. So it is same like the blog category, and this is being the main feature of the website. Media and rest of items are as common as in WordPress. So this is alerted carousel, so we can check this what is bringing, so it is not being used at website. Okay, rest of things are as common as in WordPress, and I believe if you are making a listing website, so listing option is main, and we can configure and the main listing has been configured on the home page itself, and it will show all the results as per listing. So you can use these features. And okay, so I will show how to edit this page, and this thing uses the WP Bakery page editors. Let us check the role manager first, why it is not available, and pages only. So this is for pages only, and it should be available for all pages. Let us check the all pages, and yet it is not available. This is being the front page, and edit option is here. Okay, so this is being a backend editor that is working, and you can select the data that you need to display at your home page. And what I'll advise you to take a backup of home page, at least using any duplicated plugins before you start editing. So number steps and alerted, so all data can be controlled from here, because this is a listing website, and all the elements that is being displayed on the home page and any other page are coming from listing only. So it is very simple to use, and you can edit the contents by clicking on the pencil icon. So it is very simple, and I believe you shall be able to make this. So just in case if you are having any question regarding this theme and customization, you can ask in the comment section of this video. So the pro help can be given to you. And finally I am going to show you the theme options. Now this is the theme options of Search and Go, that is control of your website, and this is the general option, so through which you can select the font family and box layout and rest of things. So preload, pattern, image, and smooth scroll, and also basic things are here, so you can control or expert. So logo can be uploaded from this logo option, and this is the logo part, different type of logo. Header similarly, so you can control your header, how it should be displayed on your website. There are many options, so okay, you can explore these options to make your website much more interactive. Title, so title area, this is basically breadcrumb and all such things. So page setting is also here. Content bottom on the page, you can enable or disable. Sidebar, footer, okay, so footer columns can be set from here. Listing setting is here, so there are some basic enable or disable. Enable listing rating and enable inquiry or basic things. So maps can be configured from here, scrollable maps or draggable maps, map control, and PayPal account ID. Okay, so dashboard control, so what you need to display on the dashboard. So on the register icon, new listing text and listing dashboard is here, so you can change these default messages and notifications from here. Okay, and fonts, you can control the complete typography and fonts from here. Elements, blog, for not fair, and social control, parallax, contact form 7, WooCommerce, and these are the settings that are available to control your website. And I believe I have shown you each and everything, and you can decide about this theme now. It is working fine and features are here, so to make a modern listing website, and we did so using this theme in this video. So this is our final website and it is working as desired. So you can get this theme by following the link given in the description, and you can get in touch with us by following the link, the same link, and I believe you shall be able to make a wonderful website using the Search and Go WordPress theme. And this video remained helpful for you. So if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe this channel, and we are coming with another video on WordPress theme, WordPress tips, utilities and plugins. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.